So here's the excavator. We've got it set up right here in front of the shop. That way we can do what we need to do, weld it up, and get these teeth back on here. So as you see, this is the mount for the tooth. It just slips on just like that, and a pin goes through the middle. But this one over time has lost so much material that the tooth is just really loose and can easily just be wiggled around. As you can see, the metal here is completely worn off, as opposed to this side over here, where you can see it's a lot better fit. Not as much play axially, laterally, whereas this one really has movement in every direction. So we're going to try to weld and bring that material back out, get a little bit more of a rigid shape, and see if we can't better match the fit of this tooth to prevent stress on the pen here. So I'm going to start by grinding off some of this rust, and just so that way we have a better adhesion for the material when we start welding. So let's get started with that. All right, now that we got all of that rust from majority of those teeth, gonna go ahead and see if we can start building up the material around the teeth to hold it on a little more tightly. So we're gonna go ahead and start the welder up. We're using a 7013 welding rod, which is a really strong welding rod for high carbon steel type applications, or structural steel, even military applications. So I'm just gonna check this one more time just to see the different directions that I need to go and get a good idea of where to start first and how far to go in which direction. so ended up building it up all the way around. Tried to put more on there than I needed. That way, you know, we could grind a little bit at a time and try to get it as snug as possible. So ended up putting a lot on there, and then spent the last probably 15 minutes trying to grind it off to get it to fit. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like now and show you guys what the fit looks like. All right, so there is our tooth, and going up vertically with it fully seated. And as you can see, the pin is lined up now. So you can get the pin in there. So we're gonna go up with it and then go left to right. And there's no more play in it. So it's exactly what we want. And we got a couple more to do, but I think now that we got this first one squared away, the other ones will be probably a lot quicker and a lot easier. So we're gonna go ahead and get started on this next one. This one's not gonna take a whole lot. It's just wiggling a little bit left to right. I'll show you guys what we're working with. This one's still got a lot more material compared to that first one. Stick this one on, it's got a little bit left to right movement, but really up and down. It's pretty tight, so we're gonna go ahead and just tack a little bit on there. See if we can make this one a little bit more snug. One more to go. So, just finished up just in time for it to start raining. And that last one was pretty difficult. There was a lot of material missing from it. It was really loose. I think I went through maybe 3 or 4 sticks to get it to where it was finally tight. But I'll go ahead and show you guys what I ended up with, and hopefully the wind's not too loud, but if it is, I apologize for that. All right, let me show you guys what it looks like. All right, so we got those teeth installed. That's the second one we did, and here for the last one. As you can see, much tighter. It's got a little bit of play on the end, but it is nice and snug. Well, guys, thanks for watching. We got the excavator back, teeth are back on, and it's ready for the next job. So I appreciate it. Like, subscribe, follow me, click the bell. Phoenix to the mountain. Take care. Until next time.